Hey everyone, Trevor with Nuance Interior Design Showroom. We're at a client's lake home property today, meeting with the electrician to make sure that the electrical outlets get installed properly for our external solar shades that we're going to be installing. We're excited to get this set up for the client. They've got some lake reflections that are coming in that are really bright in their kitchen, and so these solar shades will come down. It'll block the UV rays, help keep the bugs out, and we're just excited to get this set up for the client. Let me show you around. Project right now, waiting to meet the delivery truck. As soon as he pulls up, we will help them find the location, make sure the products are in good shape, that nothing's wrong with them, no boxes have been damaged, and we will help them deliver it and make sure that everything is perfect so that it is ready for installation. This is one of the many services that we provide, and we want to make sure that the client has the best experience possible, and this is one way that takes the stress out of it for them. All right, we got everything taken care of. It was a little more than I bargained for. The big diesel truck wasn't able to back down with the big trees and the tight spot. So I ended up getting my truck, backing it up to it, sliding the 3 shades into my truck. They hung out about 6 feet past the tailgate. I carefully backed them down. We've got them loaded here. You can see them stacked up there behind me, all ready to go. We're ready for installation. Looking forward to it. All right, it's installation day for our 3 exterior shades. They're roughly about 12 foot each. We're going to put 3 up here over the next little bit. We're excited to take you along on the adventure. Hey guys, we just got done with an exterior job. Let me show you what it looks like. All right, check out how quiet these are.